For me, living in the mountains, and especially near a town like Park City, is like, it's hard to top, you know? Like, as a skier, it's world class. It's not so much the skiing that keeps me here, it's all the other stuff that keeps me here, you know? Like now, as I've gotten older, just having like more variety in life has become really an important consideration. Really, it's my dad who kind of pioneered this whole movement. Like, our folks split up in the 90s. We grew up in Connecticut, and then one day my dad was like, I'm going to Utah. And I was the first one out of all of us brothers. I was like, I'm going. I signed up right away, came out here with him. We'd just be sending stories back home saying, guys, you don't even know how sick this place is. You gotta come. So it was just a natural progression for the whole family to migrate out here and make a home.